What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 camera drones in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to enjoy the magic of drone flying while saving some money, DJI Mavic Mini is on our list as the best budget drone camera. DJI, as one of the leading brands in the field, will certainly not disappoint you. This fella simply delivers great results whether you want to capture your precious moments or do this type of work professionally. Now let's move on to the technical details. The product comes in dimensions at 6.3 by 3.15 by 0.39 inches, and with a very light weight below 250 grams, it ranks among the smallest classes of drones. We're talking a weight of a standard smartphone here, so pretty light. Anyhow, due to the fact that it is one of the tiniest drones on the market, in some countries such as Canada and the USA, it deviates from certain registration regulations, so you might want to pay attention. With this little guy, you can make videos of 2.7K HD quality as well as 12MP aerial photos. It has a 3-axis motorized gimbal to secure clear and smooth shots, as well as excellent camera stability. The maximum flight time is up to 30 minutes without recharging, which sets it apart from most other fly cams. It should be noted that the flight time will vary depending on various factors such as weather conditions, altitude, GPS signal, Wi-Fi interference, video recording, etc. The device's maximum speed is 29 miles per hour. Basically, this will provide you a range of 1.5 miles. Furthermore, the DJI Mavic Mini has 3 flight modes: default flight mode, cinema mode, and sport flight mode. Note that the flight speed will vary depending on which operation mode you opt for. This portable drone is designed to be as easy to use as possible. The takeoff weight also includes propellers, a micro SD card, and a battery. The next thing to point out is the compatibility, and it's pretty long. To avoid listing an excessively long rundown, we'll note that the majority of devices on today's market are compatible with this drone. Some of them include the Samsung Galaxy devices going from Galaxy 6 to the latest models, iPhone devices, Honor phones, the Samsung Note series, Honor devices, Huawei smartphones, and more. For the listed price, we think it is quite hard to find a better product. Thumbs up! If you are one of the folks who like compact, easy to pack, easy to transport stuff, we bring you the Parrot Anafi FVP as the best folding drone camera in 2020. Ultra comfortable and compact, this fella gives you the feeling as if you are flying in it. The drone comes with a 16GB micro SD card, cockpit glasses, remote control, a single USB-A, USB-C cable, a set of 8 additional propellers, along with folding tools and a compact backpack. You can enjoy and always be directly in the center of the action thanks to the comfortably designed glasses with full HD flow, which are directly connected to the drone camera. Note that the glasses are fully compatible with all smartphones with screens ranging from 4.7 inches to 5.5 inches. To secure a top-notch flying experience as well as professional high-quality images, a stabilized 4K HDR camera is included in the mix. Furthermore, this camera has a zoom of up to 3 times. You will be able to enjoy a flight time of 27 minutes on a full battery charge. A convenient steering wheel is included in the mix, with the device securing a maximum transmission distance of 4 kilometers. This drone can shoot up to 4,500 meters above sea level, which is pretty impressive. Options such as the Little Planet and the Dolly Zoom 360 panorama have been added by the manufacturer for some truly exceptional shots. Also, your aircraft will automatically return to the place of takeoff using the geo-barrier functions. Convenient, isn't it? The Parrot Anafi FVP also has 2 new control modes, the race mode and the photo mode. With photo mode, you will frame photos with precision, while the race mode is designed for drone races and their precise tracking. The FPV UAV mode will also be very useful for those looking to capture animals in real time without scaring them, and for those who need a precise overview of steep and remote areas. This way, you will have access to otherwise very convenient and inaccessible areas. At any time, you will also have a clear display of flight data. Also, depending on different lighting conditions, you can adjust the color dominance. The product comes in dimensions of 15.39 by 9.72 by 5.35 inches. The very practical and mobile backpack included in the box will provide you with easy transfer of all equipment to the desired place of flight. Based on the outstanding flight performance, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is justifiably on our list as the best drone camera in 2020. Packing a maximum flight speed of as much as 72 kilometers per hour, wow, and a flight time of 30 minutes on a single charge, this guy is a mean machine. The drone features a motorized 3-axis cardan shaft and some very advanced sensors. With the help of the 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor that comes with a mechanical shutter, you will successfully eliminate blind distortions. Thanks to its AcuSync 2.0 option, you will be able to automatically switch frequencies with a transmission range of 5 miles with 1080p streaming. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is also loaded with the so-called intelligent flight summaries, including active track, tap fly, gesture mode, draw mode, and many more. By simply creating a route on your screen, you will be able to control the flight path at the same time, fixed altitude, all thanks to the drawing option. It is important to emphasize that you will need to install the DJI Go 4 app on your phone in order to be able to operate this drone. The product comes with the size of 9.9 by 15.7 by 6.75 inches, and the package also a battery, a controller, a power cable, a power charger, 4 pairs of propellers, micro USB cable, micro SD card of 32 gigabytes, gimbal clamp, and a carrying case. Quite a few items, right? The included case is highly practical and will allow you to easily carry all your equipment to the desired location. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 has a video recording resolution of 4K UHD 2160p. It is compatible with a wide range of devices including Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, Samsung, iPhone, and more devices. Number 1 for the pro team, that's for sure. Now let's move on to the next product. Thanks to the amazing 8K Ultra HD camera, the Autel EVO II has earned a well-deserved place on our list. This is the first unmanned camera of this size made in the world with 8K video resolution. Now that's an introduction. Anyway, you'll enjoy the striking high-quality 48 megapixel shots and photos, taking up to 25 frames per second. This drone gives you a maximum flight duration of 40 minutes on a single battery charge. It is designed so that you can perform uninterrupted transport and flight with a minimal footprint. The device is equipped with 3 replaceable cameras. This makes the product highly practical and easy to use, since each of them can be replaced in just a few seconds. Depending on your needs and the operations you want to perform, the drone has 6K, 8K, and dual thermal 8K payload options. It has a built-in 3.3-inch screen with a smart controller for easy monitoring and flight control. The built-in precision locking mechanism gives you a secure lock with a set of patented propellers, removing the need for any additional tools. For the best possible reception in urban areas, this drone contains a set of built-in 2.4 GHz antennas for up to 9 kilometers distance, versatile avoidance of obstacles, as well as 12 image sensors for maximum 3D results. The product measures in at 11 by 10.4 by 5.6 inches. At takeoff, the weight of the device is around 1,150 grams. Flying time is 35 minutes for hovering and 40 minutes for moving on a single battery charge. Designed to be as efficient as possible, the Autel EVO II will allow you to be immersed in every activity by capturing every second of it. The only point that some users may perceive as a drawback is a slightly higher price, but considering its outstanding 8K resolution camera, this price is completely justified. And now, the number 1 awaits. Thanks to the highly advanced and intelligent performance, the DJI Mavic Air 2 stood out on our list as the best overall drone camera in 2020. With this product, you will enjoy aerial shooting with complete comfort and get breathtaking results. The item has a super high-performance quad Bayer image sensor to deliver outstanding HDR videos. Also, thanks to the 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, you will take great photos of 48 megapixels, and then thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you will enjoy all the advantages and charms of 4K 60 frames per second video, maximum experience. The product offers video transmission up to 6.2 miles, along with the ability to deliver a 1080p FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone camera. Mavic Air 2 offers a choice between 2 intuitive shooting functions. During flight, your camera will be locked on the subject with the help of Spotlight 2.0 vehicles. This means that all moving objects, including people, will be fixed, and during the process, the Active Track 3.0 function will keep all subjects focused. The security of DJI Mavic Air 2 is further enhanced with the detection of obstacles, which are registered from 3 directions. This makes the item a good choice for beginners. This product comes in gray, measuring in at 7.09 by 3.82 by 3.31 inches and weighing 1.25 pounds. Included in the box, the drone's intelligent battery, remote control, a pair of 3K propellers with very low noise, gimbal protection, RC cables including standard micro USB, Lightning and USB Type-C, a control rod, a battery charger, Type-C cable, AC power cord, and user guide. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the maximum flight time is 34 minutes on a full battery charge. The product is compatible with many devices, of which we'll list some of the most important: iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, iPad Pro, iPad Air 2, iPad Mini, and many more. If you are looking for the best of the best for the ability to take professional shots that will blow people away, this is the product you've been looking for. The best camera drone of 2020 for sure. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.